1. Introduction to Threat Intelligence. Threat intelligence is the practice of collecting, analyzing, and using information about potential or existing cyber threats to enhance cybersecurity defenses. Organizations use threat intelligence to make informed security decisions, predict future threats, and proactively strengthen their security posture. 2. Importance of threat intelligence. Proactive defense helps organizations prevent attacks before they occur. Risk mitigation identifies and reduces vulnerabilities. Incident response assists in faster and more effective response to cyber incidents. Threat hunting supports security teams in searching for hidden threats. Compliance and regulations helps meet industry security standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and NIST. 3. Types of threat intelligence. Threat intelligence is categorized into different types based on how it is used and analyzed. A. Strategic threat intelligence. High-level information for executives and decision-makers. Provides insights into emerging trends, attack motivations, and geopolitical risks. Example: reports on how nation-state actors target critical infrastructure sectors. B. Tactical threat intelligence. Focuses on specific tactics, techniques, and procedures (TTPs) used by attackers. Helps security teams understand how threats operate. Example: indicators of compromise (IOCs), like malicious IP addresses, domain names, and malware hashes. C. Operational threat intelligence. Provides details on active cyber threats and ongoing attack campaigns. Helps security teams take immediate action to counter threats. Example: threat actor groups launching phishing campaigns targeting banking institutions. D. Technical threat intelligence. Detailed technical data used to detect and prevent threats. Includes logs, malware analysis, and vulnerability details. Example: a newly discovered zero-day vulnerability affecting a web application. 4. Threat intelligence lifecycle. Threat intelligence follows a structured process known as the intelligence lifecycle. 1. Planning and direction. Define objectives and scope of threat intelligence. 2. Collection. Gather data from sources like OSINT, dark web, security reports, and threat feeds. 3. Processing. Organize raw data into a structured format. 4. Analysis. Identify patterns, assess risks, and generate actionable intelligence. 5. Dissemination. Share intelligence with stakeholders and security teams. 6. Feedback. Evaluate effectiveness and refine the process. 5. Sources of threat intelligence. Threat intelligence is collected from various sources, including open source intelligence, OSINT publicly available information, e.g. blogs, news articles, social media. Threat intelligence feeds, data from cybersecurity vendors, e.g. Alien Vault, IBM X-Force, and Recorded Future. Dark web monitoring, tracking underground forums and marketplaces. Security communities and information sharing groups, ISACs, Information Sharing and Analysis Centers, CERTs, computer. Emergency response teams. Internal data, logs, firewall alerts, intrusion detection systems, IDS, and security event reports. 6. Threat intelligence platforms and tools. To automate and analyze threat intelligence, organizations use specialized tools. CM, Security Information and Event Management Splunk, IBM QRadar. Threat intelligence platforms, TIPS Anomaly ThreatStream, ThreatConnect. Threat feeds and databases, VirusTotal, MITRE ATT and CK, FireEye. Malware analysis tools, Cuckoo Sandbox, any, run. 7. Code examples for threat intelligence. Below are practical code examples to analyze threat intelligence data. Example 1. Fetching threat intelligence feeds, Python. Import requests. Explanation. This Python script fetches threat intelligence feeds from Alien Vault OTX, extracts key threat details, and prints the latest threats. Example 2. Detecting malicious IPs using threat feeds. Explanation. This script queries a threat intelligence API, Abuse IPDB, to check if an IP address is malicious. Example 3. Analyzing suspicious URLs. Explanation. This Python script submits a suspicious URL to VirusTotal for threat analysis. 8. Threat intelligence in action, real-world examples. Case Study 1. Preventing a ransomware attack. A financial institution used threat intelligence to detect an emerging ransomware strain. IOCS was shared within the industry, allowing other organizations to block related IPs. By updating security policies, the company prevented the attack before any damage occurred. Case Study 2. Dark Web Intelligence Preventing Data Breach. A cybersecurity firm detected stolen credentials of employees on a dark web marketplace. The company forced password resets and strengthened authentication measures. The breach was mitigated before attackers could exploit the credentials. 9. Conclusion. Threat intelligence plays a critical role in modern cybersecurity by providing actionable insights to prevent, detect, and respond to cyber threats. Organizations can leverage automation, AI, and real-time intelligence feeds to stay ahead of attackers. By staying informed and proactive, organizations can strengthen their defenses and minimize cyber risks effectively.